Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Ali Pearl. Okay, loving the packaging, really nice, and all right, so I have the wig. Firstly, you can see I got a pair of lashes. I got this branded Ali Pearl elastic headband, a edge brush and comb, this mirror, and it's branded Ali Pearl, a pair of HD wig caps, and lastly in the box I got a drawstring bag, perfect for storage. So let's get into today's wig. This is today's wig. We're working with a gorgeous deep wave texture from Ali Pearl. So this is their HD lace front 13x6 deep wave wig. It's 22 inches long, by the way. So full, like you're not seeing through these curls. I love that. It's a natural color and it came pre-plucked. Look how natural that hairline looks. Love. It's already pre-bleached as well, and I love that it is a large, like it's consistent with the 13x6 vibes. It's not necessarily like it's not like 6 inches here, but it has a nice graduation. So I love that with the sizing. So that's how it looks, 13x6 straight across, and it has 3 combs in the cap. Yeah, 1 in the back, 2 on the sides, and a adjustable elastic band for more security. There are also 2 adjustable straps in the back. Very nice standard cap construction. I feel like the construction of a wig is so important. That is what determines how the wig lays on your head. So that is so important. The hair is very full, very soft, and I am so ready to go ahead and install this. This is about to be my look for the whole weekend. Let's just go ahead and get into it. I'm going to be using glue to install this today. So nice. This looking, of course you guys know I have to cut from the side. I'm just gonna cut away the excess and then I'm gonna go in with my glue. So we're gonna kind of speed through this process. That's how we're looking, and I'm just gonna cut away the excess lace. So I'm just going to finish the hoops. You saw the lace, you saw how beautiful everything is pre-plucked. You don't have to do these swoops if you don't want to. It's very optional, okay? So don't judge me for it. This is it. This is the finished look. This is the finished look with the install. It's so melted, so melted. So this is just me rocking it in its dry state, exactly how it came out the packaging. And I absolutely love it. Can't lie. The volume, yeah, it's giving. The density is so pretty and it's so gorgeous. Nice deep bust down parting, because you guys know it's a 13x6. So full, so full. If you're looking for some very full 13x6 HD lace front hair, you got it right here. And you could get a longer length if you wish. You could go a little shorter. It's all up to you, okay? This is perfect. 22 inches of goodness. I can't complain. Ali Pearl, you did your thing. This feels really, really good. I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh, so melted. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and get the hair wet, so you know, give it that nice wet look. So I'm actually going to drench it so you guys can see the difference. And this is it once I get it wet. Even though it's so wet right now, it's not like dead. It's still full of life and the density is still there. It doesn't look like limp because it's so full. So that right there is amazing. I love it. In terms of how the curls react, it's very like, it's full of life, and I love that. So shout out to Ali Pearl for today's wig. The quality is top tier for sure. Absolutely love it. So yeah, that's what we're working with. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, so please go ahead, check it out. All the specifications will be listed, and a discount code I may have will be listed as well. And that's it for today. If you want to get this wig for yourself or somebody else, that will be nice. It's the summertime. I feel like this type of texture is #1. Curly textures are always #1. It's just easy to deal with on very hot days, you know. So, and it's not too long. It's 22 inches. It's very moderate, you know. It's nice and clean and it's pretty. So yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.